Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn what is data types. So firstly I'm going to explain the string data type. Okay, so by default when we open the playground, we will get a one line that is written by default, that is var str hello playground. So we can print the same line using print. So as you see, the playground is running. It's taking time for the very first time, but after that it's getting very speed up. So you will see hello playground is printing on the console. So str, where str is equal to colon hello playground, it represents the string data type. So you can't assign a numeric integer value to a string. See, if you're going to assign that value, you will get the error like you cannot assign value of type int to type string. So that is how. But if you are assigning the string value, then it will pick up the string value. See, as you can see. Okay, so see, the 34 is printing on the console. So this is how, basically this is all about the string data type. Now I am going to tell you what is the boolean data type. Let us suppose I take one variable and I'm going to assign some value, some boolean value. So if you see on the console, okay, see, you will see the true is printing on the console. The same way you can assign b is equal to boolean either true or false value, but you can't assign a integer, a string or a float value to this boolean integer. I'm going to explain that to you as well. See, if I'm going to assign b is equal to 50, see, it's not picking that value. You will getting the error, cannot assign value of type into type bool. So you can't assign that value. So this is how we need to assign the boolean variable. After that we have a int. Let us suppose I'm checking where I is equal to 34. So in the same way you can print that value. Okay, so if I'm trying to run that thing, see, you will see the 34 is printing over there on the console. I'm going to assign some float value to it, and you will see it's giving us error. See, you cannot assign value of type double to type int. If I am applying the integer value, only then it's going to pick the value. But for any like bool, any kind of string value, it's not going to pick. Let us suppose I'm going to assign any bool value, so it's also giving us error. See, you cannot assign value of type bool to type int. So this is how, if we need to declare the integer value. Then we have a float data type. So this is how, let us suppose I'm going to assign some value at the beginning level. This is the float value. Okay, so now I'm going to run. You will see it's in the console, you will see 5.0 is printing, that is our float value. So in the same way I can't assign any string value to this. if I'm going to assign this value, it's giving us error, like you can't assign value of type string to type double. So that is how they are throwing the error. For actually for the decimal, we have basically two data types. One is the float and another one is the double. So mainly we use the double in the Swift language, because double is going to handle a number of decimal values inside that. So it's a very much obvious in the Swift you have to use the double rather than to go for a float. But there are a number of third party APIs that are using the float. So it depends upon the requirement what you want to use any, but the main you have to use the double for that. After that, there is another one way to defining the variables along with their data types. So how you can do that is, let us suppose if you want to assign a value that is having of integer type, for that you have to you have to put the colon, and after that you are going to set the value is of integer type. So if you are going to set the value like a string value to this variable, you will get the error, because before you are going to assign any value, it's automatically obvious or it automatically set by the variable, like the value is going to come is of integer data type. So that is how this issue arises over there. So you can only assign the value of integer. In the same way, for the string, if you want to assign a string value, then you have to set the colon, and after that the data type is string. And in the same way, if you need to assign the boolean variable, then you have to set the data type is equal to bool. Okay, so in the same way, for the float, you have to set the data type is equal to float. Okay, so even you can also set the data type is equal to double. So this is all about the data types. Mainly we have 4 data types. Basically, one is string, then we have a boolean, after that we have a integer, and then we have a float. Inside float we have 2 types, like one is the float values and another one is the double. So that is how we can do or play around with the data types. So this is a very simple exercise you can do on your end. You can try with another variables and try to store some values inside that. You can play around with all these different types of data types. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching my video.